Riboti cia mundu urakomete thibitari gucoka muciari mugima ciamukagirwo na gikeno ni andu a family na aria makuhaniriirie. No kuri andu aria mahonete murimu wa COVID-19, riboti cia kurekererio kuma thibitari iramongerera meciria mangi ma kiria kimetereire miciini yao.
We are glad that the number of recoveries keeps rising day by day. And today we've discharged an additional 5 patients, and this brings to the number of total recoveries 129.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irauga ona mari na gikeno gia kurekereria andu aria honu ni gikeno gitukanite na kieha.
While we celebrate these recoveries, we are disturbed that reintegration has not been easy for these people. We have reports of stigmatization by members of the community for our recovered cases.
CS wa ugima wa mwiri Masi Mwangangi augite riboti ta ici ni cia kunyururia wira muritu uria urarutwo ni thirikari na andu kiumbe wa kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19.
Just this morning, fellow Kenyans, we had a briefing with one of our recovered cases from ICU, a gentleman who was able to recover from coronavirus disease. And as he was sharing his story with us, he's given us disturbing events with regard to how he's been accepted back in the community.
Guthutukania andu aria mari na murimu uyu, thirikari irauga kwahota gwikira Kenya guoya na marege kwiyumiria guthimwo undu uria ungirehe ugwati makiria kuri a Kenya othe.
So we really do appeal for compassion in the community, for understanding, and even for celebrating these people who have been able to go through such a scourge and come out and recover.
Kwa ihinda riri riboti 384 cia murimu wa COVID-19 nicio ciribotetwo guku bururi-ini thutha wa angi 10 kwanirirwo. Kaunti cia Nairobi na Mombasa aricio ithiete na mbere na kumurikwo kuona ithiete na mbere na kwandikithia namba nene ya arwaru aria maranyitikana na murimu uyu.
As we spotlight Nairobi and Mombasa and ensure that we enhance our interventions there, this is not a license for other counties to celebrate and to drop their guard. Rather, it is a call to action for the rest of the country to enhance the containment measures and to ensure that the virus is kept at bay and the curve is flattened.
Thirikari yugete ni irarutithania wira na arwaru aria mahonete niguo makorwo mari muhari-ini wa mbere kuhurana na mutugo wa guthutukania andu aria mahonete murimu wa COVID-19.
Together we will be able to beat this virus. And again, fellow Kenyans, the matter of stigma could actually take us behind if we don't work together and remember that we are our brother's keeper.
Ona thengia wa icoka iria thirikari ihuthirite kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19, kiria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irauga kingitucokia noti ni guthutukania andu aria mararwarite murimu uyu, na nikio we urorio witikire na uhimbiria andu aya wona macoka mucii thutha wa kuhotana bara ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.